Okay, today guys, I'm making pork spare ribs in the oven. Welcome to easy cooking. Okay, I washed and trimmed most of the fat off my ribs. I didn't want it too fatty. This is kind of tedious. Depends on how much pork fat you want on there. You want to keep some, but too much to burn. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do this in the oven. So I like to trim out a lot of the fat. These are pretty reasonable. I got this for like $6 American. So usually those pieces are really fatty. So you might want to, if you want to lean it down a little bit, lean it down a little bit. That's what I'm doing. Not much, because the pork fat is the flavor. But I'm just cutting off some stuff that I really don't want. I want to have it burned. Okay. Now that I have most of my fat trimmed, like I said, I washed it previously. I'm gonna add my rub. Since during the quarantine, you know, some spices are hard to get. Right now, I'm gonna try these Montreal steak grill mates rub, since I had it in the cabinet anyway. Let's see how this comes out. Stir some out. So I'm going to take this and put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. I'll spare it down with some ham. Also going to add a little oil in the bottom so when the juices catch fire and burn. Take my ribs. That's been marinated for 1 hour. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna place them right like this. You know, I might not be able to cook all of them at one time. Tell you what, I'm gonna cut them and I'll save the rest for some other time. Right here. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, there you are. Ready to go into the oven. Okay, I'm gonna place these uncovered first. In a preheated oven. Using the fork to close. I like cooking with older stoves because if you can master an older stove, like your grandparents did, your great grandparents did, like mother did, and you're a chef. Using the new stuff is cool, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I like to work the old stuff to see if I can do it like my ancestors did. So that's why I like the old stove I have here, and I haven't changed it out. Anyway, I'm gonna let that cook now for approximately 2 hours, and we're gonna check on it then. I'm gonna check on my ribs. Good. And now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce. Over. Oh, look at that. Put this back in the oven, lower the heat. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. We're gonna let our ribs rest for about 5 to 10 minutes.